From the rolling hills of Nkandla comes a voice that redefined Maskandi, Kakhuzani Nkosikona, innocent Mpungos, or simply Kakhuzani, a man whose story blends tradition, ambition, and pure musical genius. His journey began in 2009 when he completed the late Mnkumeni's unfinished album I Secret. That single act introduced a young talent ready to carry the torch for a new generation. By 2011, Kakhuzani dropped his solo debut, Baluleka Bonke, which quickly earned him the best-selling album award, and from that moment, his rise was unstoppable. Over the years, he's released multiple hit albums like Isaac Zaksa Samaksoki and Injem Nyama, both celebrated for their rich storytelling and authentic Zulu roots. Isaac Zaksa Samaksoki even went gold in just 2 weeks, a rare achievement in South African music. Then came Ijele in 2020, featuring Luve Dubazan, a song that captured the hearts of millions and won Ukhozi FM's Song of the Year with close to 1 million votes. From Nkandla to international stages, Kakhuzani has proven that Maskandi is alive,